Hi guys, I'm back again with another interesting video on multimedia careers. If you have decided that you want to pursue a career in multimedia, since it is a very vast domain of knowledge, you also should know which department you wish to build your career in. For instance, if you want to be an animator or an editor or modeler, sound technician or a graphic artist, you need to know which course will help you build a career in that particular specialization. There are many courses available in the market, but not many follow industry standards and some are not even genuine. So in this video, I will explain about the top 10 animation and multimedia courses available in India, which will guarantee you a job after completion of the course. Let's take a look at degree programs in multimedia. These programs offer holistic training on all specializations of multimedia. These are generally full-time courses ranging over a span of 2 or 3 years. These courses offer intensive knowledge in animation and multimedia design and subsequent application to 3D modeling, character animation, character rigging, texture and lighting, compositing, visual effects, and more. Degree available in graphics and animation, which provides intensive knowledge of game design, development, animation, and visual effects. Now let's take a look at Diploma in Animation. This course actually consists of 2 modules. The first entry-level module builds a solid foundation of drawing in students. As a result of this module, you will gain a fundamental of art. The second module builds and enhances skills to 2D animation, corporate intro, and texture making. Another course you can pursue is the Diploma in Multimedia, which covers various topics such as graphics, desktop publishing, animation, and digital art photography. Another course that you can pursue is the Diploma in Web and Mobile App Development. Web and mobile app development is a huge market and is an evolving field with a huge scope for students. This course covers aspects such as graphic designing, mock-ups, prototyping, cascading styles, and UI/UX design. With the boom for e-commerce and web development apps, this particular field is likely to see an exponential growth in demand for experts. Another course that can be pursued is a Diploma in 3D Animation. This course can be pursued either as a 20-month course or a 10-month course depending upon the requirements of the students. And by completing this course, students can enter the field of animation as a game designer, 3D modeler, 3D animator, rigger, lighting and texture artist, and background and visual effect artist. This course provides a huge opportunity for students who wish to join 3D and visual effects studios. Another course that can be pursued by students wishing to enter multimedia is Diploma in Editing. This course is ideal for students wishing to enter visual effects and 3D animations company. These professionals are highly sought out not only in India but also in foreign markets. With the huge boom that is seen with YouTube and Vimeo in content development, these professionals are not only highly sought out, they are also highly paid. Diploma in Game Designing. This course includes writing the concept of the game and setting up a system of rules. This defines the player's interaction with the various objects and characters within the game along with the story. There is a huge demand for gaming professionals in this new modern age of gaming. Another course that you can pursue is the Digital Communication Design course. From design to video composition, the Digital Communication Design course teaches you on various aspects of designing, digital advertising, typography techniques, advertising concepts for digital media and television, web page layouts, sound composition, 2D modeling and animation, and more. In this video, we will take a look at the top 9 animation and multimedia courses available in India, which will guarantee you a job after completing them. So guys, a quick recap of the various programs we discussed today in this video. Degree programs in multimedia, degree in animation and graphic designing, diploma in animation, diploma in multimedia, Diploma in Web and Mobile App Development, Diploma in 3D animation, Diploma in editing, game designing course, and digital communication design course. So guys, I hope you found this video useful, and please do stay subscribed as we will bring out more interesting videos on multimedia careers. Please like, subscribe, share and comment if you liked our videos, and thank you for watching.
Do you wish to join this course? Do get connected with best trainers and training companies. Visit the link.